Brand new. You're going to see new. You're going to see your favorites. Again, there are 17 days to Valentine's Day. The other thing I want to remind you is you are going to have the opportunity as you sit down, grab a cup of coffee, tea, whatever you like this time of the year, and really come learn from the designers. From Patricia Kozra. Patricia has brought us UltraFine. She works in Italy with all the design houses. She knows what's on trend. She brings us exciting, fabulous things. I'm going to get you started and then we'll bring Patricia in. But guests like that for the entire day will be so much fun. This is an amazing bolero necklace for you. Brand new today, you're saving $10 at $64.99. It's Italian, so it was made in Italy. As you can see yourself, that one is all sterling silver and the other one will be 18 karat gold plating over sterling silver. So it'll have that warmth of 18 karat gold all the way through. The chain itself is going to be a snake chain, and the bead, which is the magic on this, will be an 8mm bead, so you can get an idea. But this is going to adjust the longest at 34 inches, and we'll show you how it's going to work. But I'm not going to waste any time because Patricia Kozra is with us via Skype. Hi, Patricia. How are you? Happy New Year.
Hi,
I don't know
Pat.
that I've
Happy
really
New
seen
Year.
you since the
No,
new
we
year.
haven't. I was thinking about that. I'm like, have I seen Pat in the new year? No, I haven't. Happy New Year, Bella. So good to see
Thank
you.
you. Likewise, this necklace for $65 is an awesome,
Wild.
awesome necklace. This is one that is going to work with anything that you put on.
It really is. I mean, the fact that we have something that's adjustable from 34 inches down to whatever you really choose is really special, especially with that 8mm bead. And now to have that done in the ultrafine silver, again, takes it to the next level. Pat, I know you're a fan of ultrafine, and really
Absolutely.
it is that Ferrari of silver. It is 95 parts pure silver, whiter, brighter, tarnish resistant, hypoallergenic, nickel free, and now also available in that 18 karat gold over the 950 silver option.
Definitely Italian. I mean,
Definitely Italian.
right? This is definitely an Italian piece. And the magic is in the bead, Patricia.
It is, yes.
So you've got a lariat is always so flattering on, I think, for anyone, and it fits with any neckline. But the idea of the bead being able to be so adjustable that we can wear this any length we want.
Right. So what we did is we have that Italian engineering, that we have that 8mm bead, and on the inside we have it lined with a very special, almost like a silicone lining. So it's going to slide up and down that snake chain. So really a customizable, but you could wear that bead on the front, in the back, with an open back dress. I mean, it really is special. Pick your favorite enhancer, your favorite pendant. Like you said, Pat, this is something that is so flattering, customizable, and really and truly, it's going to be that workhorse in your jewelry wardrobe that's going to give you a chance to wear it with anything and any of your pendants and enhancers.
And a snake chain is so fun to wear, in my opinion, because it's just, I mean, look at it, just like a snake would be. It's slinky and it's slippery and very, very, I don't know, I was going to say sexy. I don't know that a snake is sexy, but it
I mean, the snake chain is sexy. I know it's 11 a.m. in the morning, but I guess we can really use that. The snake chain is going to be so slinky and sexy and flattering. And again, that perfect workhorse in your jewelry wardrobe. I love the fact that we're giving you the customization, that we're able to really wear it at any length. And Pat, by the way, can I also tell you, you look so good. I had Q1 on and I saw you come in with Mary Beth, and I was like,
jewelry.
why does Pat look so good?
It's all the great jewelry. I'm so excited. I feel like I really haven't had an opportunity to be able to share jewelry for a while. All this jewelry, by the way, as you do your shopping with us today, the good news is it's going to arrive in time for Valentine's Day. So for $65, to be able, Patricia, for us to be able to give this to someone and say, made in Italy, that gold is 18 karat gold plated, all sterling silver. This will work with, you know, a crew neck, a turtleneck, a cowl neck, inside your neckline, outside, over the top of your neckline. I mean, it's such a cool necklace.
It really is. And I think that's a really great point, Pat. You know, when you have pieces like this and you know they're made in Italy, it really takes it to that next level. The
Absolutely.
craftsmanship is really, you know, compared to none other. When we take a snake chain like this, no, Pat, we go to very specific workshops that only do snake chains. And then we go to a different workshop that will do, say, plating or the polishing. So when you get it home, you're really getting a piece of art, I want to say. It's something that
Hmm.
is going to really speak volumes about, you know, you and the quality and the workmanship that you appreciate in your jewelry wardrobe. And again, this is just a piece that really and truly is almost like a basic and a staple that you need that you didn't even know that you need.
Exactly. And that you'll own for a lifetime. I mean, the lariat never goes out of style.
No.
So it just always works. And Patricia, I don't know about you, but this year for me has been the mock neck year. I know I don't have one on right
Yes.
now,
Oh
but
my gosh.
right? I think the mock necks have been out there everywhere in all the collections we have on QVC. So it also is a nice necklace to be able to layer with. I have an Omega with Diamonique coming up, but you can layer beautifully. Even with what you have on now, the longer chain that you're wearing, Patricia, you could wear this one shorter on the
Well,
inside.
yeah, well, no, this is actually that necklace. You
Oh,
know,
it
I
is?
just decided,
Okay.
yeah,
Oh,
I
look
just
at you.
decided to, you know, I just decided to wear, oh, there we go. I just decided to wear it the other way to show you guys that, you know, you could really put a pen and extender on it. But no, absolutely. This is one of those pieces you're going to love. And Pat, you know, I really think that it's a great point that you made at the top, you know, of this hit, that we really have something that's flattering, you know, whether you can adjust it,
Exactly.
like you said, with a mock neck
Hmm.
or a lower cut top, a V-neck, crew neck. I mean, this is again is going to be that piece that really is going to be something that is going to be flattering for you.
I have a David Markstein Fabulous
Oh,
Cross coming up. So your
love
idea of
it.
taking this chain, because this is an enhancer, you can do it with an
Yes,
enhancer.
please.
Take
Oh
the
my
chain
gosh, I
like you
love
did for
that.
us and turn it around. Now you have a 34-inch length chain or an 18 or a 20. It's such a good staple. Thank you, Patricia.
Absolutely.
Always good to see you, but thank you
Thank
for
you
kicking this
so
off.
much, Pat.
400 in each, brand new. You are getting it before the big event, which is coming